All right, this is Chris Kane with Rabelais Law, and today on our blog post I want to talk to you a little bit about something called the small succession. A lot of you are probably familiar with the full succession. That's for families who have estates over $75,000. It's a drawn-out, expensive court process. Even if you have a will, when somebody dies, their estate has to go through the courts. A judge has to oversee the distribution of their assets before the family can access those assets. Well, for estates that are less than $75,000, there's a special procedure here in Louisiana called a small succession. I got together with a lady just the other day whose sister died about 6 years ago, and her sister co-owned a piece of property. The property was only worth about $40,000, but when the surviving sister came in to see me, she said, listen, the property is still in me and my sister's name. I want to get it changed out of her name, and since I'm her sole heir, I want that property put all into my name. So we talked about it, and after I found out that her sister did not have a will and that the property was less than $75,000, we decided that we could go through this small succession procedure. And it's much, much simpler, much more cost-effective, and takes much less time than the full-blown court-supervised succession. Really, all we need to do is create a 1- to 2-page affidavit which lays out the estate and just record that in the parish property records. So it really streamlines this whole succession process. But remember, the key is the estate needs to be less than $75,000 and there cannot be a will. So if this is a situation that you're facing, if there's a loved one who passed away and their estate was not very large, then possibly this small succession procedure is right for your family. If you want to call and we can discuss and figure out the best way to move forward with settling your loved one's estate, certainly we invite that call and would love to be able to help you. It's 504-274-1980 if you're in Metairie, New Orleans area. It's going to be 985-246-3020 if you're in Houma, Thibodeau, Mandeville, Covington, anywhere else on the North Shore. Thank you all so much for listening. I'll look forward to talking to you again soon.